The psychology of colour is one of the most influential aspects of marketing, especially when it comes to highly visual advertisements like billboards, flyers, posters, and brand elements like your logo. Effective use of colours can immediately catch the attention of consumers and inspire feelings. Colours can communicate different meanings and elicit a range of responses. The role of colour in marketing is to create a positive association with your brand and product and ultimately drive an action. Studies show that 90% of an advert's effectiveness is visual. Therefore, getting colours just right is critical for creating an effective marketing strategy. But the role of colour in marketing goes beyond getting attention. Consumers frequently associate different colours with certain brands and products. Being a good association can lead to increased sales, better brand recognition, and brand loyalty. Colour can also be used to evoke certain moods or emotions. This is particularly important when you're trying to sell a product or service that isn't inherently exciting. Using the right colours in your marketing can help you engage your customers and pique their interest. Keep in mind the goals of your advertising campaign or brand. What do you want your customers to feel? What message are you trying to send? These are things that you should keep in mind when choosing your colour palette. Red. Whether it is to express fear, terror or survival, or to express affection and love, red is a very strong and dynamic colour. Red is also a very energising colour that can either be welcoming or aggressive, depending on the context. If you want to make an impression or catch someone's attention immediately, red is the colour for you. However, use it sparingly to avoid the strong negative reactions it may create. Red has been associated with anger, love, passion and aggression. Blue. Generally, blue is one of the most preferred colours by people and the most preferred by men because it appears solid, dependable, responsible and mentally soothing. Because it triggers a mental response rather than a physical one, blue can help de-stress, relax and be positive. However, it can also appear distant, cold or unfriendly if used in large amounts. Overall, blue is the colour that can create a sense of calm and trust and is beneficial when trying to establish relationships. Blue can make us feel calm, relaxed and safe. Yellow. Yellow represents joy, pleasure, cheerfulness and optimism. Yellow is frequently used to express happiness because it elicits one of the strongest psychological responses in people. In fact, it's the first colour that infants respond to. It's a straightforward primary colour. To lift someone's spirits, boost their confidence or provide motivation, yellow is the colour to use. But despite all of the positives about yellow, it is not wildly popular and often used less than the other primary colours, red and blue. Yellow can be energising, helping someone feel happy or optimistic. Orange. The psychological significance of orange is extremely interesting because it blends red's vigour and energy with yellow's friendliness and enjoyment. It even stimulates our appetite, so psychological comfort is represented by orange. It is also a colour of motivation, which creates a positive mindset and a general spirit of enthusiasm. In tough times, orange is great for providing comfort and generating a sense of enjoyment or freedom in your visuals. Orange can make your mood more enthusiastic, happy or excited. Green. The colour green is associated with balance and harmony. It helps us to recognise right from wrong by balancing both our logical and emotional thoughts. Because green reflects nature's life, serenity and peace, it is one of the most seen colours. If you're trying to portray health, relaxation and stress relief, green is your colour. While green has a few negative implications like greed and materialism, it has a significantly more positive effect than most other colours. In addition to positively affecting thinking, relationships and physical health, green is thought to reduce stress and aid healing. Medical facilities typically include green in their decor. Purple. With the energy of red and dependability of blue, purple is the perfect blend of physical and spiritual energy and power. It symbolises luxury, loyalty, courage, mystery and magic. It's a fascinating hue because it soothes and it offers space for imagination and innovation. Because of this, creativity is often associated with purple. When using purple, don't overuse it because it may cause excessive introspection or distraction. Purple can make you feel more creative, confident and brave. Pink. Compassion and love can be stimulated through a softer, less intense red colour such as pink. It calms rather than stimulates, making it the perfect colour for caring, understanding and nurturing those in need. It symbolises hope as well as being highly romantic. Overuse of pink can be highly draining, express a lack of power and even be immature. But it can be a good alternative to red when used properly. Pink can make you calmer, more loving and less aggressive. Brown. Brown may not be the most visually appealing colour, but it signifies stability, security and defence. You may also employ brown in situations where black would be too intense. Because it's the safest colour, brown can be seen as reserved, monotonous and boring. Use it when required, but don't use it excessively. Brown can make you feel safer and more secure, but it also may bring to mind feelings of isolation. Gold. Across the globe, gold has a variety of meanings, but it typically symbolises charm and confidence, luxury and wealth. Gold can also signify friendship, abundance and prosperity, which is naturally appealing. A lot of gold, on the other hand, can make you seem egotistical, proud and self-righteous. Like colours such as brown and black, gold should be used sparingly to emphasise rather than to be the primary focus. Gold can make you feel successful and motivated. Black. Black is a serious, sophisticated and independent colour, as well as a sign of evil, mystery, death and depression. Black is a colour that is so reserved that it lacks all colours aside from black. It prefers to keep away from the limelight, maintain control and stay separate from the others. Therefore, black is a good choice for high contrast and legible text. Even though black is a powerful colour, you should use it sparingly. The colour black can make you feel powerful, mysterious and grounded. White. White is a colour that embodies minimalism, simplicity, purity, innocence, cleanliness and peace. It can also symbolise new beginnings, a clean slate, and inspire new ideas. White is the perfect colour for cleanliness, simplicity and idea creation, but avoid using too much white as it may also cause loneliness, isolation and emptiness. White can make your mood more optimistic and refreshed. In a survey, people were asked to choose the colour they associated with particular words. For trust, most chose the colour blue, followed by white and green. Security, blue came out on top, followed by black and green. Speed, red was the overwhelming favourite. Cheapness, orange came first, followed by yellow and brown. High quality, black was the clear winner, then blue. High tech, this was almost evenly split with black the top choice and blue and grey both second. Reliability, blue was the top choice followed by black. Courage, most people chose purple, then red and finally blue. Fear or terror, red came in first followed by black. Fun, orange was the top choice followed closely by yellow and then purple. Colour is one of the most important aspects of marketing. The right colours can be used to draw attention, elicit the right emotional response and leave a memorable impression on customers. Using the wrong colours can actually have the opposite effect. With colour being so vital, it is important to understand that you can't just choose any colours you want. You have to make sure that they're appropriate for your brand, your audience and your objectives.